Hey guys, John over at Powerhaus. I know it's been a little while since we've done any YouTube videos. We've been running behind on some of these engine builds, so we've been in the shop just trying to get them built, get them shipped out, so we haven't had much time to do any videos. But we really appreciate all your patience. All the customers have been real patient for us, and we're catching up quickly, and so we wanted to say thank you. This motor is for Alfred Sheffield. It's a 2332, and it puts out about 175 to 175 horsepower / torque. We build our motors square, so they make about the same torque and horsepower, and they make nice low-end drivable power. This motor is running our traditional aluminum autolinea case, and it's a 80. This is 84 by 94, so that's a 2332. And we run the MP crank, MP rods. We've run the scat crank and scat rods. This particular one has an MP crank and rods, but like I said, we use both them. They work really well. This also has the CNC ported MP cylinder heads, 4237 L6 port, MST billet valve covers. Of course, we use the stainless A1 sidewinder exhaust system. This has the dual tip outlet, the Bernie Bergman Porsche shroud, dual 44 Webers, and then we have the Magnus Spark distributor from CB Performance. This is their distributor setup. Comes with a coil, which we have underneath the shroud, and then we modify their wires with 90-degree boots down here at the ends so that it fits and looks real clean. So this thing's already been started up. It's been dialed in. We did the first service on it, just the valves, check everything over. We're gonna run it one more time, put it under a load, and then I'll drain all the fluids. We'll box it up and get it shipped out. Alfred, thank you for choosing us to build your new motor. I can't wait till you get this. Keep us updated. Maybe send us pictures when you get it installed, and keep us updated. But again, thank you for choosing us to build your motor. We appreciate that.